So why cloud? So let's talk about cloud. We are learning about cloud. So why we need a cloud? Suppose I'm a developer. I'm building an e-commerce website, right? So I'm a developer. I'm building an e-commerce website, and I have created. Now I'm deploying to the cloud. Why I'm deploying to the cloud? Because of the security reason. Because cloud gives the security, and the other reason is cloud gives a lot of services which are like which we can I can access from remotely. Like I do not want to state, or it gives a uh, it give a function like it's give a service like to collaborate with others. Suppose I am living like in Dehradun and my other teammate is living in Delhi. So we can work and we can collaborate in the cloud. And cloud is nothing but cloud is you can say cloud is a like why we are using cloud, right? Cloud is like so cloud so there are some certain remote location where are the big data centers, big data places where all the data which we are deploying in the cloud they can store there. There are multiple centers, right? So security concern is also much better in cloud because suppose if the data is corrupted from one server but there are many servers in different location, right? So that's the reason why the cloud have the why the cloud have the security reason, like. So next we have why we need a cloud. As a name I suggest, suppose there's a company, or suppose there is a member who wants to run their company and they want to um, and they want storage, right? So instead of buying physical hard disk or physical storage elements, they can instead go for the cloud, and cloud give a storage or like VMwares or like other thing and other service at an affordable price. When if you are using any service, then you have to pay according to it. Pay as service you can pay. So this is a man over here, and he wants to like build a company, and he was using storage from, suppose he's using from AWS. So he was using AWS servers to store their data in the data center. And this is the data center over here, the image which was shown there. This is the data center over here, and yep, and affordable price, right? So cloud is like if you are using any service, then you have to pay according to it. Pay as service you can pay. So this is a man over here, and he wants to like build a company, and he was using storage from, suppose he's using from AWS. So he was using AWS servers to store their data in the data center. And this is the data center over here, the image which was shown there. This is the data center over here. And yep, and next we have the advantage of cloud, right? So first we have reduced IT cost, right? So instead of buying physical servers, instead of buying physical material or like physical hard disk storage or like maintenance, this cloud give flexibility. It reduce the cost over here, increase scalability. Suppose I'm building an application, or suppose I'm building a web app where the customer can buy things at some occasion, the customer login has been increases. So in cloud we have like logging balancer or like something which automatically increase when there is a high demand of the client, right? It gives flexibility and site security, as I told earlier. And next we have types of cloud. So we know what is cloud, we know what is the advantage of cloud. Now talk about what are the types of cloud over here. So first we have the public cloud over here. Public cloud is publicly open, anyone can use it. And we have on a private cloud. Private cloud is a little bit no one cloud is limited to some people's, and there is a limited access to some specific people. Then we have hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is a you can say hybrid cloud is like a combination of public cloud and private cloud. And then we have community cloud. The name suggests community. There are specific community people who can then access their cloud, right? And next we have software as a service, platform as a service, infrastructure as a service. So these are the types of service which a cloud provider gives. So first there is a software as a service. What is software as a service? When we talk about software as a service is nothing but software as a service is a service which was given by the cloud to the end user. In the software as a service, we have very limited features, or we cannot change the operating system. We cannot balance out. We cannot increase the VMwares or other things. So the example of the software as a service is Gmail or is a Dropbox. We all use. We just go to the website. We just log into it and we can use. And then we have the platform as a service. Platform as a service has more features or more customizable feature as compared to software as a service. Platform as a service, as a name suggests, a platform. It gives environmental for developers like us to build or like to provider. We have IBM, we have Google Cloud, we have AWS, we have Microsoft Azure, we have Red Hat, IBM. So why we are using Google Cloud as a Google Cloud platform over here, Google Cloud platform, right? So why we are using this? So in this MOOC course, we'll learn about some API things, or we learn about how we can host a virtual machine on GCP. And this is the storage database service, objects, relation, non-relation, warehouse. What Google also provides storage, SQL, Cloud Spanner, Cloud, Firestone, Big Data, BigQuery. And these are some advantages, like, and these are some function over there, binding data and good framework, HTTP and all. And then what next, right? So we in this course I learn about GCP, how we can use GCP, how we can create accounts. Suppose I want to host application over GCP. So first thing is we have to log in to the GCP page, we have to create account, then we have to buy some credit. There's a credit also. Suppose you want to deploy or application in your cloud, so you need some credits. For credits you have to buy these credit. But There is also some like free tires over here. In free tires, you can test it out the GCP environment. Google also provides some free tires or free credits to test out to new developer about their Google platform, right? Then we have future of cloud computing. What is the future of cloud computing? So what is going in next in the cloud sector? In cloud, the gaming is also coming on. Suppose I am a gamer, I want to play a hi-fi game, but my system does not like has the requirement to run this game, so I can run this game on the cloud, and all the VM, all the RAM, and all the graphic card and are being deployed, are being managed by the cloud provider, and I can play the game from my like low PC or low end PC over here. So a lot of things are there in cloud computing over here, right? And so before binding up this presentation, I also learned about a lot of things. We also learn about in this course. We learn also about like Kubernetes. We also learn about Docker. What is Docker? What is Kubernetes? What is Kubernetes, right? So is Google Cloud Computing Foundation. It is a foundation where all the cloud computing tools like Kubernetes, Docker, a lot of things are there. Like so, I learn about there. I involve the community over here, learn about different things, how I can contribute to cloud native ecosystem. I was all about the Google Cloud Computation, and then we have yeah, that's the wind up. Thank you so much.